While people are gathering along the St. Mary's River, conversations are starting about who owns the waterway.
A 100-year-old law could cause problems as more people use the river. News Channel 15's Chris Darby is here to explain why.
Brent and Heather, as opposed to other rivers in our area controlled by the state, landowners along the St. Mary's also own the riverbed there. Fort Wayne's riverfront development is centralized along that waterway.
The big conversation is revitalizing our rivers, and the magic to that is to get people on the rivers. And as we get people on the rivers, we try to make access points, which now brings us to the story today.
That story today is people working on improving our riverfronts now face potential issues stemming from an old law.
As we want to increase access points, the legal determination of the river, is it navigable or non-navigable, makes it either easier or harder to develop these access points for citizens to get on the rivers.
In basic terms, the St. Mary's River was labeled non-navigable because it wasn't used much for commerce. It was more important to the people living along the waterway instead of passing through, like farmers who wanted to clear their area of log jams. Fast forward to today, the Department of Natural Resources won't help build ramps if a river has this designation. A designation that may require an act of Congress to change.
This is a classic example of just archaic laws that were made however many years ago and just need updated.
The people at Fort Wayne Outfitters say they hope the designation changes. They rent kayaks to be used along the river, and right now, if a kayaker comes to a stop along the waterway, they are trespassing on a property.
We've been operating for 10 years now and really haven't had an issue, but as more and more traffic gets on the St. Mary's River, we want people to be able to enjoy it and not worry about being cited or something for stepping on someone's property.
The Maumee River from the Hosey Dam to Ohio is a navigable river controlled by the state. The St. Joseph River never received a designation. Live in studio, Chris Darby, News Channel 15.